France are set to sign a 63 crore deal for the 26 Rafale Marine Combat Aircraft. News agency ANI quoted defense official and stated the deal is expected to be signed on Monday. Also, the report has claimed that the officials from the Indian Defense Ministry and the French ambassador to India will represent the two sides at the signing event. The Defense Secretary Rajesh Kumar is also likely to represent the Indian side, while the French and the Indian defense ministers are expected to attend remotely. The reports have quoted the sources. Also, alongside the government to government, that is G2G agreement, several ancillary government to business, that is G2B agreements are also expected to be physically inked during the event, furthering the strengthening of the bilateral defense cooperation. The 26 Rafale Marine fighter jets are urgently required for the deployment on the Indian aircraft carriers, particularly INS Vikrant, which is now in service. The existing fleet of the MiG-29K fighters have reportedly underperformed due to the maintenance-related issue. The Rafale M jets will be customized to meet the Indian requirements and will be integrated into the INS Vikrant. Also, these carrier-borne fighters are being acquired as the stopgap solution until the government of the indigenous carrier-borne fighter jet is completed. On April 9, the Indian has also cleared its largest ever defense deal for the 26 Rafale Marine Combat Aircraft during a meeting with the Cabinet Committee on Security chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Also, the government-to-government contract includes the 22 single-seater and twin-seater jets along with a comprehensive package for the fleet maintenance, logistical support, personnel training and indigenous component manufacturing. The Rafale M jets will be operated from the INS Vikrant and support the existing MiG-29K fleet. Also, the Indian Air Force already operates the fleet with the 26 and 36 Rafale aircraft that has been acquired under a separate deal signed in 2016. These aircraft are based at Ambala and